Just a quick unboxing and a short review of this tool here. It's from Harden. I don't know that brand. I just got it because it was the cheapest. It was like $3. Item number 560303. Yeah, they are some cutting plier thingies. Mini diagonal cutting plier. Okay, that's the official name, and 4.5 inches. And here's the website, hardentools.com. CLATSI. I don't know what this is. Let's see what it says on the back. Carbon steel. Well, they are all called carbon steel. The question is how much carbon is in it. TRP handle. Yeah, that's some stress releasing whatever. Ergonomic. It has a it has a spring there. Grip feeling comfortable. Save labor. Save labor. That sounds awful. Ergonomic design. Yeah, cutting wire, diameter thin, strands, design comfortable. Double read connection, automatic reset function. The use of labor, improve work efficiency. Yeah. Human body engineering, comfortable, ergonomic grip. Yeah, safety took. Using hand tools can be dangerous. Always take care and keep away from children. To minimize risk of injury, always wear eye protection when you're using the pliers. That's kind of funny. Yeah, okay, that's generally. Oh, it's from Shanghai. Harden Tools Co. Ltd. Xinjiang, RD, Shongjiang, Shanghai, China. Okay, here's the code, made in China. So let's see. I kind of cheated. I opened it already. But yeah, as you can see, looks kind of nice, sharpened. There's something wrong in the middle here, but I'll explain that later. You see, there's problem with the blade. I mean the cutting part. And this part is okay too, although there's some marks here, grinding marks. I don't know why. The other one's perfect. This one has something there. Okay, it works. The springs work fine. The handles are maybe back a little. I don't know. Something is not right here, but yeah, it doesn't really matter. What matters, what I noticed, let me zoom in maybe, like that. As you can see, it doesn't meet in the front. And also it doesn't meet there. So that's a major problem. That distance, that means you can't really clip the wires. Let me just show you. Here's oops, from a radio or something. This was meant to be an antenna. So when you try to clip it in the with the tip, it goes and you can't. You have to move it around and break it. But if you go in the middle, instantly. Yeah, and here in the back, it kind of works in the back because the distance is smaller, but it doesn't cut all the way through. So only cuts in the middle. And yeah. But with these tools, the main thing is that only one part has to be sharp. So I can leave the part that's really straight. I won't touch that, and I will grind out the curve from the other part. This is curved right here in the middle, and I'll just take that down flat, and it will be usable. I know this because my father had a tool and he gave it to me. I don't know where it is. That was sharpened many times, and one part is softer steel, and only one of the sides is sharp and really, really, really strong. And that kind of how this can work. Maybe both parts are strong steel, hard steel. I don't know about this one, but yeah, you can use it like that. You can grind down one part and it will still work fine. But yeah, first maybe I have to determine which part, if it's softer steel, I have to find out before I take take down the blade, the sharpness. I mean, take down the curve. Because if this is the stronger steel, then I have to grind down the other. Because the stronger steel has to cut, the other one doesn't. So yeah, if both are strong, then it's no problem. But yeah, this is a $3 tool, kind of functional, and you can use it if you're a pro. It doesn't bother you that it has 2 millimeters here that don't touch. You can cut with the rest. But I really need the tip. That's why I bought this. Because I want to be able to cut off the remaining feet of the through hole components. So, yeah, to shorten them easily with this. Puck, 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 puck. Just in series, you just cut, 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 cut. And yeah, that's why I bought this. And hopefully, I can grind it down, fix it so the tip will cut too.